CGS Labs is a Slovenian company with more than 30 years of experience in developing software solutions for civil engineering design. In addition to the head office in Slovenia, they also have offices in Germany, Czech Republic and Serbia. Besides Europe, with the support of approximately 30 business partners, CGS Labs successfully sells its products on all continents around the world, allowing it to keep up with the latest trends in the construction industry. CGS Labs Portfolio includes a collection of high-quality products, each designed to meet the unique needs of their clients. The software solutions in their portfolio are Plateia, Autosign, Autopath, Ferrovia, Aquaterra and Autopath. However, since there are many software providers on the market today, you may be wondering why should CGS Labs software be your top choice. Users express that the primary strength of their software solutions lies in their user-friendly nature. Designers quickly learn the program and each new command is carefully planned, allowing them to immediately understand how it works. Additionally, the products are localized and run on top of the Autodesk AutoCAD, Civil 3D and BricsCAD platforms. CGS Labs' best-selling program is Plateia, a software solution for road design and reconstruction that provides for a wide range of projects, including highways, urban roads, intersections, roundabouts and various others. Primarily used by road designers for planning and designing diverse projects, it is also a valuable tool for surveyors in preparing survey data. Additionally, contractors benefit from Plateia for accurate quantity calculations and monthly billing. Plateia provides the commands and tools to support the entire design process from conceptual to detailed design. It has a large number of features for digital terrain modeling, grading, powerful geometry design tools, functionalities for intersections and roundabout design, tools for detailed cross-sections design and editing, quantity take-off options and features for beam modeling. When discussing Plateia, it is important to mention the Autosign and Autopath programs, which can be included in the package with Plateia or sold separately. Autosign, a professional software solution for planning traffic signs and road markings, seamlessly integrates extensive collections of country-specific traffic sign libraries, road markings, traffic lights, and other street furniture elements. One standout feature in Autosign is the ability to generate a 3D model of traffic signs, road markings, and gantries with just one click, all based on the 2D design. This feature boosts traffic planning and design efficiency, making Autosign stand out among competitors. The next software solution is Autopath, a professional tool for analyzing vehicles' web path, commonly used by civil engineers, transportation professionals, architects, and urban planners. The program stands out for its diverse range of methods for conducting analysis and automation. This ensures that all reports, clearances and collision detections are automatically updated when modifications are made to the analysis. CGS Labs also developing software for railway design and track analysis compliant with country-specific guidelines called Ferrovia. Ferrovia is a highly popular program among railway designers as it supports many spiral types, has a huge library of turnouts and offers great features for reconnections. Additionally, it incorporates a powerful tool for track realignment, efficiently saving users valuable time. Another noteworthy aspect of the program is its inclusion of fundamental tools for road planning. In the image, you can see plans created with the Ferrovia. What makes this project unique is that it marks the first newly constructed railway line in Croatia in 52 years. In addition to all the mentioned products, CGS Labs also has a channel and river engineering design software solution. A significant advantage of this program is that it integrates Mike flood and HECRAS hydraulic calculations with flood protection design, torrent and landslide control, and irrigation systems design. It enables the user to quickly create various hydraulic structures and also supports BIM workflows. In the picture you can see the plan for challenging project where flood protection measures were designed with Aquaterra, protecting nearly 18,000 residents. The last in the series of products is Autopath, which assists in the design of both new and existing power lines. The solution comes with predefined elements such as poles, insulators and conductors, but user can customize existing elements or add new ones, providing flexibility and adaptability to specific project requirements. Autopath is the first and the only power line design software in the world with support for BIM. In conclusion, CGS Labs stands out as a global leader in civil engineering software solutions, offering user-friendly, innovative tools that address diverse project needs. From road design to traffic planning, railway solutions, river engineering and power line design, CGS Labs delivers excellence and adaptability. Their dedication and forward-thinking approach suggest a continued quest of cutting-edge solutions that will define the future of engineering design.